welcome back to my kitchen once again. My name is Ude. Today I'm going to be making one of my favorite local stew. It's not a regular tomato stew, it's a vegetable Egusi stew. Okay, this is Egusi stew. Here we have our tripe. This is the kind of stew that when I make it, I will eat rice often, more than tomato red stew. Let's season our meat. We're going to be using a tripe. This is cow tripe. And the spices, as you can see, seasoning and spices. I have my onion, pepper blend, and garlic.
All you want to know about great food, she can cook a great cook. Old school cook, intercontinental dishes. Step inside, see her smile so bright, ingredients.
So here we have our tomatoes. We're going to be using both tomatoes and this is one of my favorite stew. Easy to cook. Just allow it to cook. These are the tomatoes now. At this point, it's ready. See, this is ground egusi. This is stew, one of my favorite stew. Make sure the egusi is not too big, okay? It has to be small. I'm not going to be adding any salt because I have enough salt in the broth. So I'm going to be adding crayfish, not too much, okay? You can add dry fish or more, whatever you want, alright? I'm gonna cover it up and let it cook. So it's ready now. I'm going to put back the meat. Spinach. That's our beautiful stew. It's coming together, looking good and inviting. Let's cover it and let it simmer for a while. Then we're done cooking. Look at our beautiful Egusi vegetable stew. This is stew, alright? If you can eat your swallow with it, good. But this is how I make my egusi stew. Listen. And as you can see, it is ready so we don't overcook the vegetable. Let's plate our food.
Kitchen. All you want to know
So today we
about
prepared
great
a
food.
delicious
She can cook a great
egusi
cook.
vegetable
Old
stew.
school cook,
This is
continental
great
dishes.
for your
Step
white
inside,
rice.
see it smell so bright. Ingredients
Going
ready
to
for
the
love
end of
delight.
this video.
Savory dishes,
Please
sweet and
subscribe,
spicy too.
share, comments.
I mean, it's got the flavor just for you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Taste the love in every bite.